This Makita 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 2 inches brad nailer, 18 gauge, is an ideal solution for installing narrow trim and molding. This is compact and powerful, and drives a range of 18 gauge brad nails from 5/8 inches to 2 inches with a magazine capacity of up to 110 nails, using the 18V LXT 30Ah battery. This will drive up to 1,000 nails on a single charge for improved tool performance and extended battery life. Makita created Star Protection computer controls. Star Protection is communication technology that allows the Star Protection-equipped tool and battery to exchange data in real time and monitor conditions during use to protect against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. For increased versatility, the tool can also be powered by Makita 18V LXT and compact lithium-ion batteries with the star symbol on the battery indicating Star Protection inside. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Drives a range of 18 gauge brad nails from 5/8 inches to 2 inches. Magazine capacity up to 110 nails. Number 2. 2-mode selector switch for sequential or contact nailing operation. Net weight, 7.7 pounds. Number 3. Easy-to-use tool, less depth adjustment dial for a wide variety of finish applications. Number 4. Anti-dry drive mechanism engineered to prevent driving blanks and damage to work surface. Number 5. The battery gauge indicates battery charge level. Number 6. Drives up to 1,660 finish nails using a 50Ah 18V LXT battery. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.